Filipino girl based in Cagayan de Oro, Philippines. Hey. So my grandparents are having their golden anniversary. That means it's their 50th wedding anniversary. And since it's quarantine season, we can't go out and hire organizers or videographers. So we decided to do it on our own and to do our best to give them the best DIY party. So yeah, I tried my best. We tried our best, you know. So without further ado, let's get to the vlog. So right now I'm just gonna make some DIY signages thingy. So I just found some golden pattern printouts and pasted them on a folder, and now I'm just gonna cut them out. So here is the result. Tomorrow I am going to put them on like barbecue sticks and put them in a mason jar. Good luck to me tomorrow. So here's me with my biscuits, tea, and my to-do list. Very long. Breakfast, workout, meditate, bath, snack, interview questions, storyboard, pictures, and everything that I have to do for the event.
It's been a busy day, alright? Like, look at this face. It's stress. So basically, I just put the printouts on the sticks. I'm just gonna edit my interview with my grandparents, and it's gonna take a long while because they have said a lot of things.
Hello! So we're done setting up for the party, and this is what we did. So cute. These are my grandparents, and this is like their timeline and stuff. And this is what I made. Isn't that cute? 50 years. The leche flan my aunties made, and Choco Moist, and the chia pudding that I prepared, but my mom put the toppings there. Isn't that good? Wow, nice kayo ang eyelashes. Wow, the newly blonde girl. How did you blonde yourself? How did you blonde yourself? You blonde yourself by someone else. Charot. Patan ako sa nails. Nice kayo ang nails. Wow! Our Princessa Sarah. So beautiful. Hi, Nai. This is the food. Oh, you're so pretty. Look at those curls. So this is what we baked. Salmon, and this is the one with a puff pastry. What do you want? Do you want soy sauce? Oh my god. Nope, you're not allowed to touch my camera. You want soy sauce?
Yeah. Oh, it makes sense.
Let's put ourselves in the holy presence of God. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for the grace and blessings you have given this couple during the past 50 years of marriage. Happy anniversary to you! Wow, what are you doing? It's called Bring Home PH. So here is the aftermath. We are gonna take this down and clean it up and everything. We love bananas.
Hindi kita nakasalubong upang sa dulo ng kalsada ako ay liliko sa kanan at ikaw sa kaliwa. Sapagkat saan man tayo dalhin, ikaw lang ang aking itatangi at makailang ulit na ihaharap sa altar. Sabik pa rin akong makita, mayapos, mayakap at makausap ka araw-araw. Ang mga labi mong kasing lambot ng mga ulap sa dapit hapon, at ang mukha mong kasing ganda ng unang patak ng niyebe sa Disyembre. Ang iyong boses na napakalambing at nakakapagpalambot ng pinakamatigas na damdamin. Ang iyong tawang nakakapagpagaan ng mga batong pasan-pasaan sa araw-araw. Ang iyong pagiging kakaiba. Ang iyong haplos na nagpapabalik ng mga alaala na ako ay isang taong napakarupok at titiklop pabalik sa aking nakaraan. Pasensya ka na at hindi ko maiwasang magbalik tanaw ngayon. Ngayong pagkatapos ng maraming taon ay ikaw pa rin ang kasama. Maputi na ang buhok natin. Malaki na ang ating mga anak. Marami na tayong mga apo. Itinupad natin ang mga pangako natin sa isa't isa. Nangangakong aalagaan, babantayan, uunawain, at pipiliin ka araw-araw. Magiging tapat sa hirap at ginhawa, sa sakit man o kalusugan, at mamahalin ka habang buhay.
Ilyazar Moanya Dalumpinis.
Scarlita Dalumpinis. I have to take care of him. We're happy. It's not alcohol will reach to 50 years.
Ang ako lang na I love her very much. 50 years na mga panag-ipon. I love her very, very much. Sakit ng hawak tiguan ko. Atay ba yun?
So, what did you think about the video?
Amazing!
Did you cry?
Yes, yes.
Why?
So emotional.
Happy mo? Wow. Unsa man imong na-think sa video?
Nice. Enjoyable.
Enjoyable.
Memorable.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned some stuff. I hope I gave you some ideas on how to DIY your parties or whatever. I didn't record my family's reaction while watching the video because I was watching with them and I just wanted to be present with them at the moment, and some of them were crying and laughing and stuff like that. So that was happy. I was happy. I only had like approximately a day to shoot everything, pre-prod, shooting, and post-prod. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much.